This is Mida, an innovation in vending machine technology capable of storing and heating both chilled and frozen meals. Our customers can decide freely which food products they wish to place inside the vending machine. Its spacious storage unit contains 4 storage columns, each comprising of 24 trays that can be customized to suit each product's dimensions. And to ensure that our meals stay fresh, Mida keeps its storage units at a cool 0 to minus 20 degrees Celsius. With a simple tap, the customer is presented with Envida's extensive menu from which they can view the various ready meal and snack options. Once the desired item has been selected, the customer can purchase their choice using cash or credit, debit or EFTPOS. For hot dishes from our ready meal range, the selected meal is placed into Mida's specialized microwave oven, where in only a matter of minutes, it is cooked to perfection and automatically dispensed, ready to be enjoyed. With all of our meals and snacks, a disposable cutlery set is provided. Mida, brought to you by Envida Product Solutions.